Hello! Today I'm going to be doing a video on how to tie your belt. This is specifically targeted towards the kids in my kids class, but I'm going to do something special today that might help everybody. I notice a lot of times when these videos are done, they're done facing forward, and that's really hard, especially for kids to learn. So today I'm going to show you from a point of view of you tying the belt and see how that goes. So I'm going to show you both ways, facing forward and how it should look for you. Alright, are you ready, kids? Okay, so the first thing that we are going to do is we are going to take our belt and we're going to take the two tails on the end, the black tab end, and we're going to line those up, okay? Then now we're going to go to the opposite side where the loop is, okay? Then I'm going to flatten it out and take that part where the loop was and place it over my belly button. So my gi top's going to be closed and I'm going to put it over my belly button. Okay? Now I'm going to turn around and crisscross in the back. Boom. Okay? Make sure this is tight. If it's not tight, and it's not going to look right. Okay? So then we're going to go out and make sure our tails are even. Now we're going to take this tail in our right hand, cross it over so that we have a nice X here. Okay? Here's the X. Okay, so we were like this. Now we're going to go across like this. Okay? And this one that's on top, we're going to take it and I'm going to loop it through the bottom under both. Okay? Here. Okay? Now, we're almost done, okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to take the one on the bottom, and I'm going to take it, and see how there's a little sandwich right here in between the two? So what we're going to do is we're going to make our sandwich. So we're going to bring this through, open up the bread, and make our sandwich, okay? Now, don't pull this too tight, because now we're going to take the top tail, and we're just going to stick it through the loop, okay? So what you have should look something like this. So now you're going to grab the ends and you're going to pull sideways hard. Okay? There you go. Okay, that's how we're going to tie our belt. So this is how it should look when you're looking down tying your belt. Okay? Okay, so we've done the crisscross in the back. We're going to bring these forward and I'm going to take this hand and cross it to make an X. Okay, now I'm going to take this same one that's on top, and see this right here? We're going to go underneath all of it, okay, and pull it through. All right. Okay, now we're going to take this bottom tail, okay, and we're going to open this up, peel it up, okay, and we're going to make our sandwich. So we're going to put this in between the two. Now don't make this too tight, because now what we want to be able to push something through here, because we're going to take this top tail, okay, and we're going to take the top tail and bring it through like this, okay. So once it looks like this, we're going to grab both ends, and that's how you've tied your belt.